Today, we're going to show you how to make a Singapore Sling 2 different freaking ways, and it comes out awesome. Wait, maybe it sucks. Keep watching.
If you haven't had any of these, you better watch this, because it's good shit.
You didn't have any of these before this.
I said
that's why he's telling you it's
good shit. That's what I'm telling you to watch.
I'm just going to do a shot of cherry juice.
I just got yelled at.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Today, Dan, Ian, and Derek are going to make for you the Singapore Sling.
I'm
Now,
not going to make anything.
there's a recipe I'm going to list to you right now. This is the first Singapore Sling. It's 3/4 ounce of gin, 1/4 ounce of Grand Marnier, we're using Grand Gala, 1/4 ounce of cherry herring, 1/4 ounce of benedictine, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1/2 fresh lime juice, 1 dash of bitters, and you're going to top it with a little club soda. Boom! Or
That's a lot of shit.
So it's a shake and strain other than the club soda.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Put a highball in it.
Shake,
You
strain.
don't shake the club
So now
soda.
Derek's going to make another version.
Now I'm going to make another one. This is on. I'm not going to list. I guess I can tell you some of the differences. The core difference is you got 4 ounces of pineapple juice. This is the one that's on recipe.awesomedrinks.com if you search for the words Singapore Sling. For now, if this recipe turns out to be better, then I will replace that one with this one. This one is more sweet. So if you're into like a new drinker and you want to be able to try something cool, maybe this is the drink for you. It's going to be 1 ounce of gin, 1/2 ounce of cherry herring, 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, 3/4 ounce of Cointreau, benedictine, and grenadine,
Thick.
a dash of angostura, and 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Where's the pineapple juice? Did you already get it?
Right there.
That's 12. I need 4. You both have plenty, right?
Yeah.
So,
Math works.
where's
Because you're only doing one.
gin? Well, I'm doing one. 1 ounce of gin.
He's doing 1 ounce.
So I get I'm going to use these new jiggers because now I don't.
Because
have
they're
to
smaller, it
measure.
makes it
Yeah.
easier.
I don't have to look at the lines. It's got like a dash, I think, in mine. Dash of angostura bitters. Boom.
There's a lot of shit going on.
Yep.
I'm just going to taste them.
Okay, so Dan, tell me this.
You've never had one.
When
of
was the
these.
last time you had one of these?
I've never had a Singapore Sling.
How could you not have one of these?
Wait,
I don't
and
understand.
last
You've
time
never
you
made me
had
one.
What?
Alabama Slammer.
There you go.
So
now
you're like,
totally...
your mind is being blown.
Yeah, I'm just like a fucking virgin when it comes to this shit. And I've had a lot of drinks, and we drink a lot of shit. And so when they said that we were gonna make this, and I said I'd never had one,
We're like, we'll make 2 then.
everyone's like, "Holy shit, this is like the best drink." We've never made one. You know how long I've been
We
in
never
this
even
fucking
talked
bar?
about it.
We never even talk about it.
You want to know why?
We drink a lot of shit, and no one's ever made me one.
You want to know why? It's fucking complicated. And
Yeah,
it's-
you know all the shit that we make? It's always complicated.
Fair. But this one's extra complicated because
Did you
Look at all
put
the
everything
shit
in there?
Yeah.
There's a lot of shit in there.
Yeah.
yeah. Whoa!
That
little thing is small.
Stand there and be eye candy.
That's right. I'm just here
Hey Dan.
for the looks and the cherries.
Oh, the smell of this is great. I'm gonna
Oh.
flag that. Wait a minute.
Where's my grenadine at, yo?
Oh, you can't do that. Hold on.
And
Right there.
Steven said, why replace? Just have both of them.
There you go. Me a cherry.
Because,
Oh.
you want to know why? You really want to know why?
Club soda in that.
Yep.
At the end, after you shake it.
You want to know why? Because I don't have the ability to have 2 variations of the same recipe in my database. That's why.
Yeah, don't go messing things up, Steven.
Oh, you should. That's something you should request for Jen to put in.
No.
I need another 1/2 ounce of
Hey, I
gin.
can show you my app.
I know. I want to see it.
I forgot that's only a 1/2 ounce measure.
Do you want me to flag up your cherry for you, buddy?
For me?
Yeah. You want cherry, or you want to do something different?
Oh, that's fine.
Oh, we should do something different so we know the difference.
What am I missing?
What can you do different?
You should
4
know
ounces
different
pineapple
anyway.
juice. Where's my pineapple juice, bitches?
Right here.
Oh, it's back over here now.
All right. What are you gonna make?
I don't know. I'm probably gonna say the same thing.
I don't know if I
Put the
used
cherry on the other side of the
I was gonna
orange.
say I'm gonna put the cherry on the outside.
I don't remember if I used the
See?
cherry herring yet.
Great minds think alike. I'm just not here for looks.
Singapore Sling is like Fight Club. You don't talk about it.
No.
You just
I know. What the hell?
You
What are
weren't
you doing?
invited.
No one ever made me one.
It is. It's a secret.
That's gonna change.
Everyone's like, "Oh my god, this drink is fantastic." Where the fuck
Right.
was I?
You it was before
Bullshit.
your time, Dan.
Nothing's before my time.
Oh my god.
Why not?
I'm here now. Look at that. Oh, it's like
Do
a
I?
fish.
There you go.
Look at it, it's like a fish.
What is going on?
That's kind of like
There, you got the ice in that first.
I'll put the rest of the ice because I don't think
There you go. Add a number 2 in the name.
Do what?
I'll make another.
Add a number 2 into it?
Yeah,
You're disgusting.
I can.
It was Steven's idea, not mine.
You and your upper decker humor.
It's gonna make it harder.
Yeah.
Add a number 2. What are you doing?
I was trying to get a strainer.
Good lord.
Oh yeah, this looks.
There's a lot of shit going
This
on.
makes a really big drink.
Yeah.
Because I still have a whole nother one in
4
here.
ounces of pineapple juice.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't put any
You don't need any salsa in it?
Mine? No. No
Oh,
salsa.
Oh, this one has no
No
salsa.
salsa.
I think the 4 ounces of pineapple is probably how I've made it in the past. I'm trying to think now.
Yeah, the
Because
way.
that looks traditional to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
So.
looks like the IBA.
Oh, maybe that's where I got it from.
We're gonna have to mix that one. I'll let salsa.
What's the IBA?
It's okay.
That's
It's
the
like
way.
a Singapore sunrise.
Does that look okay on the camera? Hold on, it's blurry because it needs to be here. Does that look better?
Your other drink is still kind of in the shot. Do you want it in the shot?
I don't know.
Alright.
I can crop. So that.
Good?
Yeah. See the difference in the foam from this because of the pineapple.
Don't make me get Brianna down here.
Oh no! Last time I got hit in the head. I think I still have a scar.
Then you
So.
got ice.
So how does this typically work? Do you try the sweeter one first, or you try the boozy one?
No, let's try this one first.
Okay. I
I
can't
think
remember
the sweet
order.
one is the one that I typically like, but because it looks familiar to how I'd make
Yeah,
it.
it has that look to it.
Oh, that is good.
Yeah.
Mm. That's good.
I'll try that one. It'd be interesting to see because I know you like more boozy stuff too.
It's good, but I think
Oh wow. That's good too.
yeah, this is definitely the one because it has
That is a lot sweeter.
Yeah. That
Oh,
gonna
this
be
one's
sweeter.
good.
It has
Yeah,
more
that's
pineapple.
That's refreshing.
This one's refreshing. Oh,
Maybe you should try the other one again. And then take
Okay.
that one really quick afterwards.
did you want to try
I
that?
tried that.
I don't know. Like they're both they're both good.
Mm.
There you go.
There you go. Julie, don't judge.
Oh, you're gonna like the.
See, and that's why I
lighter
like
one.
the Singapore
This
Sling.
isn't COVID safe.
Because you get the
It's not
benedictine.
COVID safe, but we're
So
pretty,
the great thing about
pretty sure we don't have it,
these
so.
drinks is in the Singapore Sling, you
We-
really get that cherry herring, which is like a smoky
You know what?
cherry.
We can
Yeah.
all
And
get
the
it together and we
benedictine,
can hug.
and just the balance is really good.
It's gonna be
It's
awesome.
really good.
That's good.
This one's a little bit more refreshing than what
Yeah,
you
because
made.
it's less
You know
sweet.
why?
It's
This
less sweet.
fucking so first off, club soda
Oh,
makes
the
everything
club
more
soda,
refreshing.
Yeah,
I
it's
think we
true.
found that out last month.
Like that's good.
You could add a little club soda to this, though. It would taste
Because
good.
it's super thick, right?
Yeah,
It's like
add a little club soda.
I think that, that's the more traditional one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah. So the
The sweeter.
and you know what? I made a bunch of money off of these things. I put in Amazon.
They're
affiliate
awesome.
link and people bought them. Don't you fucking? I don't
Oh,
like
yeah.
when you hold this.
Taste that now.
I don't like when you.
But that's why people buy it.
because I get shot with it.
Yes.
I already put. I
Right?
put the outtakes for that.
Would you
already.
buy one if I shot him with it?
Ooh, this is good though.
I don't make that much money. It's only 5%. Like it's. I'm
Buy a
gonna
bunch.
lose.
You
I
can-
lose it. If I sold these, then I let you spray me because then I make the actual
What's the
money.
cost of a wet shirt to you, though, really? It goes in the wash anyway.
Yeah.
Well, I gotta wear it for more episodes.
So this is a delicious
Well,
drink.
you
I haven't
live
had
here,
this
so
in a
you
while.
can change.
I don't like that.
Derek
I
can't
don't-
change. He's too old to
Oh, they're
change.
both really good though.
Okay.
Those are good drinks.
Yeah, they're delicious. I love those drinks.
So what is better though?
Singapore Sling is
You,
good.
I mean, you're not.
What do you like better?
I like the classic, the sweeter one, just because that's
like
the
sweet
one I've
stuff.
always liked. I like sweet stuff. That's how I used to make
That's
them.
what I mean. If you just like you added that, I added this. He added the splash of club soda. I think that's good.
Did you try it with the splash club soda?
Yeah.
Here, we'll give them to Jennifer. See what she can tell us.
Gentle Tony.
Oh wow. You can just suck those down though.
Yeah, they will
Yeah.
come back.
Mm.
I
That's
think
good.
either of them are good, but I don't know what
Oh,
the.
I like it with the club soda.
Okay, so if we had to put a number 2 next to not Upper Decker,
Not a dookie.
just a hashtag 2
How about just a chop?
It is
Next
so much
to-
sweeter, this one, but it is
a Singapore Sling.
I would put a 2 on this one.
You would think this is,
Yeah.
but this is the kind of the original design.
But I remember getting that one. I thought it was from
Yeah,
IBA.
it's different.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one the
They're
Bartenders
both really
Association.
good,
called.
though. They're just different.
Yeah, that's the problem. So
They're
our,
different, but they're very similar.
yeah, our executive producer Simon Marco, patreon.com/CMC.
Well, the good thing though is
Help
it's
us.
not like sugar sweet. It's fruit.
No,
Yeah,
It's
fruity
not-
sweet.
pineapple.
Like,
yeah,
I
it's not
feel
like,
like
you put sugar in it. You
this recipe works good in the pool. The other one's a little like
You could even add a little more club soda.
the other one's super sweet. And I feel like it's an indoor version of the drink, where the other one I could drink more of and go outside and
the first one's. Oh, they're both pretty approachable too.
yeah.
That's an easy drink.
They're both gone.
They're
Yeah.
already
Oh my
finished.
That's
God,
how approachable
on a
they are.
90-degree day by the pool.
Yeah.
You're done.
Which one were
Yeah.
you
The
gonna
next
drink?
day's
though?
gonna
I
suck.
like them both.
They are. They're both very good.
Next day's gonna. There's not what. There's not. Well,
There's like
This is like syrup. This is syrup. This is syrup. This is sweet. Just saying.
Just saying. I don't know if I've had this in another drink before.
Probably not. It's known for this drink. Cherry herring is known for this
Yeah,
drink.
cherry herring. Yeah.
So what is it? Where's your little shot glasses? What is cherry? Just cherry liqueur?
It's a cherry liqueur.
Now you know you can bring to the pool.
600 different things.
It's not that bad. I brought a lot worse.
You just gotta batch it. Like you could batch this up.
Yeah, you can batch that.
Yeah.
You want me to take that empty one?
Thank you. Oh, well, thank you.
It's probably a little bit like cough syrup,
Singapore
but
Sling.
delicious.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
And you
yeah.
can get that in the New Hampshire liquor store.
Taste that.
But that's what gives you the brown sugar flavor you're getting, I think, out of that drink.
Yeah, it gives it that smokiness.
Yeah, it's like a
Oh, yeah.
smoky cherry.
Yeah.
That's like.
It's like the cherries.
Yeah, that's like the maraschino sugar.
That's
Yeah,
what
you could
I
almost
thought
use
it
like the
is.
cherry juice.
You could substitute if you didn't have this, I'm guessing, but you probably have to add a little bit of extra boost.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
That's, I'm drowning.
I don't pour that out because I don't know. I'm confused on whether that's any good. You don't. Why are you giving me the face?
It
That's
says
not.
maraschino on it.
Yeah, it's not maraschino liqueur. That's over there. That's actually Luxardo's cherry liqueur.
It smells like a
Like
possible substitute.
So I'm curious if it's going to taste as good. But
Doubt it.
okay, so
it's
there's
probably
things to
That's it?
understand. For those that care, this is probably from Singapore.
Doesn't look as
And
thick.
the hotel, the Raffles, the Long Bar and Raffles Hotel in Singapore is where it's said to be invented,
What are you drinking?
circa 1930.
None
The
yet.
Luxardo version of this cherry liqueur.
Business.
Around 1930,
That's a lot different.
is
That's
published.
a lot better.
Stronger, I think.
I think the second the drink that's more boozy,
This is
the
30%.
less sweet,
This is.
is in
Which one's
Savoy's cocktail book,
The
or
cherry
maybe
with
David
the
Embry's cocktail
There.
book.
Yeah.
I mean,
one?
this is good, but it's probably not.
Luxardo's not as good.
I don't think it would be as good in the drink.
It's
because
'cause it's not as
as
sweet?
thick. It's not as sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I thought I did that comparison like back
This
in
one
like
like has like
2010.
an Amaro type
Yeah.
taste to it.
It's
And that's
been
probably
years.
why we've never made this, because we haven't had cherry herring. We just
Oh,
bought
really?
it today to make this drink.
Well, I had it
It's
like
good.
Oh, it did.
It's really
Last
good.
long, I'm guessing.
I've had it for
This
like
is
6
our
months.
summer.
I can say that's better than my Thai.
If we buy a new hot
I would do
dog, that's
Singapore
what we're
Sling.
drinking.
Yeah.
If we buy a new hot
Okay.
dog, that's what we're drinking.
So I don't
Hey, you
know.
could probably drink it without a new hot tub too.
I
Just
don't.
saying.
I don't know how to
Get in
better
the kitchen, you could drink it in.
define
Very good.
flavor of this
How much
drink.
new stuff do you need? I mean, come on.
Everybody here enjoys this
yes,
both
sir.
recipes.
Try it out, Dale.
Well, they made the mistake of sending the kids in the hot tub, so they're getting a new hot tub.
Yeah, they're in there now. Everybody likes to drink. I have nothing negative to say about this cocktail. Both recipes are
Very
great.
good. But they're both really.
I don't know.
They're both really good.
If you want less,
They're both
if you want a
delicious
less
in
sweet
different
taste,
ways.
They are.
Right.
definitely this one that we made, and this recipe is
Oh, it's
it's still
definitely
really
less
good. Yeah.
Now, I'm torn because.
But it's
I-
pineapple sweet. It's not like
You know
This
what?
one, yeah, but they
I'm
are-
not a sweet drink person.
Yeah,
But
Yeah,
I like
you're not.
both of these.
Yeah.
yeah, because I think that the cherry herring is sweet, but also has that smoky, like rich flavor. It's not as sugary sweet.
But there's definitely a time and a place.
juice.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now. Summertime.
oh, you ate the cherry too?
Don't you have a cherry in yours?
No.
Go to AustinDrinks.com. Buy Liver and Co. Grenadine.
Up there, you big
It's
baby.
gone. It's gone. He's got a whole jar.
There's only one left in it. I think.
I sell them.
Aw, ooh.
My
Wait,
hands are so sticky.
That's it. Fucking bring them out. Where's the cherries? Where'd they go?
No, I drank this
Some at
stuff.
home.
Woo.
I know.
Oh, did you try the other stuff?
No. So, Luxardo Maraschino cherries. AustinDrinks.com.
Oh, you should
They're not
definitely buy
cheap.
them.
They're not cheap. They're
They're not
Like
cheap.
if you
know.
don't have a,
Good.
yeah, if
22
you don't
bucks?
have these at home,
Our neighbor ordered those from you.
You did?
Yeah, Bob.
Shit, I didn't even notice. Lately? Did he get them? I guess he.
oh, you make
Right?
blood and
He said
sand
I
with
got the
cherry
cherries
herring?
from-
Okay.
I don't know.
That cocktail
I didn't
show.
know.
Shit.
Maybe.
We'll have to make one of those.
So get those at AustinDrinks.com, and you're like, what? $22 for cherries? They're fucking awesome. A.
And then
B.
20% off.
20% off.
Yeah, Tiki 2020.
They're awesome. They're not
There's a coupon
anything
code.
like the cherries that you buy in the
No.
Yeah,
grocery
don't
store.
get that fucking
That's
red
like
bullshit.
440
Yeah.
off, so that's like 22 becomes
Yeah, like-
1760.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And
And then if you
I'm
round
not
down,
buying-
it's like $16 if you really think about it.
I
And
looked
that's-
around in 5, so 15.
Yeah, $15.
Wait a minute, you're killing me. You're killing my
Well, no,
price.
no, they're gonna pay you what you.
Okay, okay. As long as people pay.
Thought
We're helping
process.
rationalize.
Yeah, rationalize.
All right.
It might end up being like whatever, 17 something, but like realistically in your head, it's like
It's
15.
like 15.
Yeah, as long as I make a couple dollars.
Yeah.
I'm fine.
It's under 20.
I'm just giving it to the people.
Yeah, I mean, someone's got to pay for me to drink.
Right. And apparently I'm going to have to buy another bottle. I started buying stuff from my own store. I used to just take it, but I'm like, why don't I just buy it? That way the store makes money. All right, so what I've learned today is this. I might have to figure out a way to build variations into my fucking recipe database. That does not make me happy.
Oh, we got Jen now. Jen can do it.
Yeah, because whatever I code into the recipe database, she's got to put into the app.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now
Which
she
doesn't
can do it
exist yet.
first.
No, I use the database that he has.
Right, so she'd have to learn a new
So I
database
do
schema
second.
and all that stuff. Oh, like big words? I don't know. It's gonna be hard.
Yeah, because he always goes, why don't you just do this? I'm like, because you can't just do this.
You can't just do that. You just gotta be a programmer for 20 years, and it's easy.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Sidebar, more videos. There'll be something awesome. Summer drinks, crazy stuff. Down
And
below,
you'll love it.
Awesome drinks, bartender starter kit, so you can make a drink parallel to the one I made, just like that. Buy 2 of them. 2 bartender
both of
starter
them.
kits.
Yeah.
All of the things. Buy them.
Because you need them.
Oh, obviously. Which means you gotta drink. Don't? Okay. That's cool.
lead it.